Hello and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Mariana and I am very grateful that you decided to stop by my channel and spend some time with me as I transform this dining room table that I picked up at Habitat for Humanity for $120. It also included the 4 chairs that you're gonna see at the end. If you love thrifting and you are very frugal like myself, give me a thumbs up and introduce yourself in the comment down below. This stripping gel I picked up at Walmart and it costed $13.46, but I must tell you I did not like the product. The instructions on the bottle recommended to wait at least an hour, which I did, and then this top portion of the table I actually waited until the next day because I was just not satisfied. But anyways, it disappointed me. Let me know if you used a stripping gel before, if I did anything wrong, or what else do you use instead to do the stripping process? The weather while I'm doing this, it's 92 degrees, which is very hot, but I've seen a lot of content creators that use plastic wrap to create more heat, and therefore, supposedly, it helps with the process. But again, neither the heat, not the gel really helped me. When I'm telling you that my shoulders were in massive pain at the end of the day, please believe me, the sanding was real workout. Looking forward for this. I know this sanding, the sanding is really gonna be a workout. Oh yeah, it's very satisfying. Look at this here. Oh yeah. Wow. Well, the excitement did not last long, and as I mentioned before, this was a workout. Knowing this going into this project, I did want to start with the bottom first because it has more shapes to it. And I said to myself, if you could get through the bottom of the table, the top, which is a flat surface, is gonna be the easiest part.
I know my mom taught me that. I figured why we fool around so little, and we keep track of time, being so serious, idiots. thinking it will matter, keep me company downtown before the clock runs out. Sun is shining, but the rain is welcome too. Friends are nearby, don't need another view. Time is not on my mind, but then it's you. Oh, I love it when the love comes around, and then I remember all things must pass. But I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. I'm not ready, let me have another day. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up. No, no, not yet, whoa. No, not yet, whoa. No, no, not yet, whoa. I'm afraid I'll end up nowhere. They keep saying I'll be fine, but how you know that I'll be there when it feels like
Well, because I'm very frugal, I try to work with what I have at home. And in this case, the sandpaper that I had was 2 sheets of 120 grit, 2 of 100, and 2 of 80. And I should have done some research and possibly would have been smarter to go to the store and invest $10 because, again, this was a lot of elbow grease and left my shoulder rotator cuff in pain for the night. So, but this is what I learned, and I'm gonna post it right here. I started sanding with the 120 sandpaper. What I should have done is started with the 80 sandpaper because according to this chart, the lower the number, the more deep it's gonna go into your woods. And I'm not really sure how to explain it to you, but because the top table has had a very orange color, which it was really hard to take out. I should have went in with the lower sandpaper first and then move gradually to upper numbers, which makes it more smoother. And I hope that makes sense. Let me know if you have any other tips for my next project in the proper way to sand a table. I'm done. Just remember, we're not here because it's easy. We're here because it's possible. Don't throw away our broken socks. These are actually my son's. And the reason for that is because I usually cut them in strips and I use them in the garden to tie my plants. But in this case, they're perfect for staining furniture. Also, actually, they're very good for you to clean your furniture, like on your day-to-day basis. Anyhow, this part over here, it is by far the most satisfying. It was very quick. I waited between coats. I only showed you the first time, but I did this twice. I applied this color twice, and I also applied the next color twice. So just know that it took 2 coats of each of the following that you're gonna see in this video.
I've tried, written down the words to say. It is time. I've been waiting 5 days to explain how you make me feel inside. Baby, got it all figured out. Wanna do this right. There's no doubt in my mind. Baby, you're the one. And tonight, I am going all the way. But when you touch my hand, it all goes away. The things I planned, the things I would say. Now I keep rambling on. I sound so cliche. What I am trying to do is say I love you. Ooh, ooh, ooh. And all the things that you do. Ooh, ooh. Sounds like a fool, 'cause when you touch my hand, the words goes away.
I'm not quite sure I like this. I think it sounds right like anyway. I'm not liking it. I thought it was gonna be white, and it's not. It's not white. I'm gonna wait and see how it dries, and then I'll take it from there. Let me know in the comments down below if you hold on, Coco, if you like it how it looks right now. But I was going more for a white tone like this. I just shake the bottom really good because I put my finger all the way to the bottom and there was like paint. So I'm thinking it's because I didn't shake the bottom. Let's see, because sanding was a hell of an effort, so. But I want white. Yes, this is what I'm looking for. Okay, so shake the bottom. Oh, now we're talking, yes. Oh yes, now I'm in love with it.
With you, ooh, ooh, it sounds so stupid now. What I am trying to do, what I am trying to do, what I am trying to do is say I love you. Let me tell you this, let me tell you right now, your exquisite kiss still burning. Didn't know I missed this passion in life. Now I'm addicted somehow. Let me tell you what is up with your smile? It's impossible, not melting, irresistible. When I look through your eyes, not even sky's the limit. I used to be satisfied, stayed over the surface. Now I just can't get enough. You make me feel good like no other. I just want everyone to see what I've discovered. And when I'm with you, I go higher. You lift me up, now I can see so much farther. Beyond to live and cry, to appreciate life, and what you give is worth it. When you're holding me, when you hold me so close, I want further in under your skin. Wanna leave a mark so that I can be sure that you remember what's been. I used to be satisfied.
So this sock has a pattern, and what I'm doing now, I'm going around and I'm just doing this, tapping it, and it's giving the table that pattern.
Everything behind, knowing there is more in life that I want. Now I wanna embrace life, you and I side by side, knowing there is more in life that I want.
Friends, from the bottom of my heart, I am reaching over and giving you a hug and thanking you for spending your valuable time with me. I hope you enjoy watching the dogs, who are always the star of the show. They love playing with their balls. If you're a fur mama, drop out an emoji in the comments below. They have toys all over this house. But anyhow, the hardest part of this project was the sanding by far. Everything else was very easy and very satisfying to do. I post on Thursday and Sunday, and I hope to see you in my next video. Let me know, what do you think about this table? Also, behind me right here, I want to create an accent wall. And the current colors on my walls, this color right here, it's called Breeze Away. It's like a light aqua color. What color do you think I should paint the back wall to create an accent wall? Let me know in the comments down below. And until next video, thank you so much for liking and subscribing and leaving me a comment.